Hello, talking to all my broke college students out there that are looking for some extra money. You know, there is pretty much no way, no other way that I know but to find the extra money. It is to have a product or service for sale. If you are looking for extra money as a broke college student, I can show you how to take 125, meaning $125, and make anywhere between $500 to $1,000 weekly, every 2 weeks, or every month by simply uh, placing ads, by simply getting your other broke college friends to buy your product. So you get your investment back on your first sale, right? You make 125 per person. You get paid many ways that you decide. You want to get paid to PayPal. You get paid to PayPal. Uh, you start a Trust Pay, Paysa, or Cash App. However you want to get paid, you can make that 125 turn into thousands of dollars. People have done it, and I just want to come on here right quickly and say, if you're a broke college student, look no further. Go from beans and weenies, ramen noodles, to serving yourself, meaning eating whatever you want to eat, buying whatever you want to buy, and stop living that broke college life. You invest in everything. You invest everything into your education, but now you need extra money because the money that you had is not into the books, education, and so on and so forth. You need to grab my link, check out what I'm talking about, and invest 125 into yourself. Stop being a broke college student because guess what? You deserve it. You deserve more than not having. So if you're that college student that is looking for some extra money, I'm not talking about the quick fix. I'm not talking about you know, get rich quick scheme. I'm not talking about you know, um, you know, get involved or get putting your money into something and you're not doing nothing, not willing to make a step or make any moves. I'm not talking about that. I'm not talking about you know what people expect. You expect to make money and you don't do nothing. I'm not talking about that. Now, if you're not willing to do anything, you're not willing to sell your products to your other college students or college friends, or not willing to share this, not willing to share what you have in your hand, then this is definitely not going to be for you, and I definitely don't want to waste your time. But if what I'm talking about is a good fit for you, and you're definitely looking to make 125 per person over and over and over again, get paid. If you don't want to get paid to your PayPal, you get paid to any other place that you want. You know, money order, Walmart to Walmart. People send you 125 over and over and over and over. You know, you could do what you've been doing as a broke college student, or you could actually take action and become unstuck or become unbroke doing what unbroke people do. And what unbroke people do is they actually work, they actually promote, they actually hustle, they actually grind. They actually is doing. They actually willing. They actually doing what the 99 percent of people's not doing. You know, you're not willing to do what the 4% is doing, and you're not willing to do what the 99 is doing, not doing. Then this is not going to be for you. But you willing to actually make 125, make $125 over and over and over and over and over. Now to come into the business, this is a business, it's a legitimate business. It's 135, right? You pay that one time. All this is one-time payments. You also have the option to upgrade up to the $500 level to make $500 per person. Now, as a broke college student, what choice do you really have? You know, you either could keep watching, you either could keep watching me and other people's like me, have videos here on YouTube and getting free information, or you can actually take action and do something different than you've done in the past. If what you've been doing for the past 10, 15 years has not worked, I want to encourage you, and now may be the time to do something different. You ever heard insanity is doing the same thing over and over and over and over and expecting a different result? If what you done, been doing from the time that you started your college, right, and it's not working, it's time for you to change up. Even me, I have to step up my comfort zone. I have to do something different. You cannot expect something different to happen if you're not going to do nothing different. If you're not willing to change, don't expect much. Or are you willing to change and make a decision that I'm going to do something different? I'm going to invest in myself. I'm going to do something different. Well, everything that you've been wanting is on the other side of the decision that you make today. If you're not willing to make a decision for you, you're not willing to make a decision for you, then you can continue to have what you've been having. I had to think, and I had to take a personal examination for myself. I had to tell myself, if what I've been doing for the past 10, 15 years, what I've been doing for the past 10 to 15 years, and it hasn't gotten me from here to there, or it hasn't helped me to stretch out and grow, or it hasn't done anything for me, then why should I continue to do the same thing that's keep giving me the same results? Only thing that's going to get me a new result is I do something new, or I invest in something new, or I do something. I'm not talking about investing in another program. I'm talking about change up something, tweak something, get with a mentor, get with a coach that's going to help you take your mind or take you to the next level. If you always did what you always done, you're going to always have what you always have. Point blank, point simple. But if you're willing to do something new, you're willing to do something and take a chance on yourself, how valuable that you think you're worth? How much do you think you're worth? You're not doing it for me. You're not investing $125 for me. You're investing it for you. You're investing it for you because you need the money. You need to come from one place to the next place. You're investing into yourself, right? So, how much do you value you? How much do you respect you? How much are you willing to give to you? Invest in yourself, not me. Invest in yourself. When you do that, my friend, that's going to take you from a broke college student, to a paid college student, to a well-off college student, to a business owner or businessman, to not even caring about college because you only need it because guess what? You'll have all the money to do whatever you want to do. I think people go to college. They go to college to make money or make extra money. Well, I have something, or I have found something that can help you, right? Upset some of those college bills. Upset some of those college loans, right? If you have a lot of loans, student loans, this will help upset some of that stuff because you have money constantly coming in, with this program. Now, I'm not telling you it's going to be easy. It's nothing easy, but we have everything in there, right? We have groups that you can add yourself to. These is not no ordinary group. These groups is people just in there, and they definitely are looking for ways to make money online. Right? It's not easy. Nothing in this world is easy. You could continue to do what you've been doing and keep getting what you've been getting, or you could do something different and position yourself for a better year this year and the years to come. But you have the decision to keep doing what you've been doing and reaping the results that you've been reaping, or do something different and gain another skill, another knowledge, so you can actually grow, so your value level can increase, and you could grow, and your value level could grow as well. It's up to you. It's a decision that you have to make. It's a decision that you have to make for yourself, your family, your loved ones, and all those that's rooting for you and waiting for you, right? If you're a college student, if you're actually looking for extra money, I haven't found no place on the internet other than this place that I found, where you can make 100% commission just by posting some simple ads online. And we show you how to do it every day. You have to be consistent with it, but it is doable. And you want to do it while you know, in your college dorm room, before your classes and stuff. You do it between classes. You can make money every day, 100% commission, 125 over and over and over and over and over. When you sell the program, you're not going to sell the $25 program, the $35 program. You're going to sell the $125 program. That's going to allow you to make $125 over and over. Five people's is $600, about $600, right? What kind of extra $600 do for you, right? What would an extra $600 do for you? If you just get 5 peoples a week, just a week, just 5 peoples, that's 2 peoples a day. Either two peoples every, for 3 days or 4 days, 2 peoples. So that's 2, 4, 6. That's 6 people. So if you could get 2 peoples a day, or 5 peoples, 1 person a day, to pay $125, that's over $600 that you made for that week. And all you did was copy and paste some ads, got people's more info, and that's all you do. I'm doing this every day, right? This is a blessing in disguise, right? Do what you've been doing and keep getting the same results that you've been getting, or let's change up your results. Let's change up what you're getting now, so you can get something better and decent. Be blessed, and I'll see you on the next one.